Hello everyone, welcome to the box plan. Here is the unboxing of HP LaserJet Pro M402TN. Printing performance and robust security built for how your work. This capable printer finishes job faster and deliver comprehensive security to guard against threats. Original HP tuner cartridge with jet intelligence gave you more pages. Up to 40 paper per minute printer speed. Black print resolution 600 by 600 dpi. Up to 4800 by 600 enhanced dpi. Laser print technology. Print resolution technology HP Fast Res 1200 HP ProRes 1200 600 dpi. Printer smart software features, auto duplex printing and upprinting, collation, print Mopedia certified, instant on technology, HP auto on, auto off technology, jet intelligence portrait technology, job storage with pin printing. It has 28 MB memory, fast printing, strong protection, more pages, performance and protection, save energy and easily manage tasks, stay connected with easy mobile printing options. With black cartridge, it can print 3100 pages. It can print 8000 pages per month.